YouTube, what's going on? We got another edition of the Top Tier Haircuts by your boy, the one and only Banquet the Artist. So as you can see right now, we're just doing a low ball drop fade on my client. Now in this haircut, I'm giving y'all the secrets and the tools that I use on how I perfect my designs, and just by having them look as natural as possible. I'm not using any enhancements in this haircut. Everything's going to be pure, straight natural. From the hairline to the enhancements to the haircut, everything. So while we're screen scrubbing through this haircut, I've taken my Andy's blade all the way open, no guard, and I've taken all the bulk off of my client just to make it easier for me to do my fade. Now, I'm using my fade blade on my Barbers clippers to knock out this bottom blend. I'm using my number 1 notch, my number 2 notch, and 3, all the way to number 5, just to get that ball line. So now I'm taking my Andy's zero guard. I got it all the way closed right now, just to knock out that middle blend. I'm screen scrubbing just so I can get to the design, y'all. So I didn't do a full video. I really didn't have time throughout my day to actually sit back and record everything that I really wanted to record. It's pretty hard getting all the scenes and all the shots that you want for your YouTube channel. Alright, now I'm taking my Andy's Masters, they're all the way open, and I'm just feathering out that middle blend, making sure everything is perfected, making sure it looks good. As you can see, my wrist is flicking really good. I'm keeping my wrist flat as well. If you keep your wrist flat, you'll knock out your fades a whole lot faster. But lo and behold, I do have a lot of other videos on fading, and I'm also going to be posting more videos about fading. So like I said, I'm just screen scrubbing just to get to the design, y'all. Right here, I'm revealing one of my secret techniques. I'm just laying the hair down with some foam wrap. The foam wrap I use is called Nairobi wrapping lotion on the bottle. It's blue, comes in a clear bottle. It does the job pretty well. Now I'm going to follow up with some of my Smash the Legend holding spray. That gets the job done as well. Now we're getting into this hairline. Now the hairline was already prepped. I hit it with my OG Walker pre-wipe glass. It gets all the oils extracted off the skin. And I also follow up by hitting it with the Smash holding spray as well. The reason why I hit it with Smash holding spray is because look how that razor's moving. Look how it's just gliding on that skin. It's not chalking up too much, and it's also not yanking the hair off the skin as well. It gets the bulk off just like how I like. Now I usually hit my hairlines with the razor first because it allows to show me if I need to push it back a little bit more, and it gives me more leeway. And also, if you keep hitting the skin with your clippers, you're abrasing the skin, meaning you're cutting the skin open. However, with the razor, it gives you less of a chance to push someone's hairline. We've been waiting for. We're starting the design. We're doing something a little simple with something smooth, something that's going to stand out, something that's going to pop. Now when you're doing these designs, you want to use the corners of your blades. Make sure your blades are sharpened and modified so you're not making any gashes in anyone's head. That's how I keep my lines really small and really petite. That's what you want to start off with, because your razor is going to widen the points of your design that you really want it to be a little wide at. Now I'm taking my time with just doing the outline of my design, or you can say this is the silhouette of my design. I'm just going to add a nice little extra double line on top of this curve. Adding extra lines and everything, it makes your design pop a little more. It doesn't make it look so generic and basic, because barbering has really changed so much and we have modified our different techniques. So your designs and all your haircuts, they have to stand out. They have to pop, because your client is a walking marketing tool at all times. Now that I have my silhouette down pat, I'm just about to lay it down with some Krispy Kreme by my boy Smash the Legend. He has some really good products, try to check them out. The Krispy Kreme does the trick because it helps my razor glide on the skin, but it also stiffens the hair as the air dries it. When the hair gets dry, the razor is still able to get my design sharp and crispy like how I want it, and it makes those white chalky lines that you're looking for. Now I'm taking my time with my razor as well. I'm only using the corners of my blade. I'm being very strategic and I'm being very precise on where I want to widen my design. I'm also being strategic about the consistency throughout my design. Sometimes you need certain points to be smaller and you need certain points to be wider in your design. So when you take a picture or when you take a video, it stands out. It gives it that pop. Now we're gonna follow up with the magic pencil, because I'm showing y'all everything in my videos. I didn't have to do the magic pencil, but I'm showing y'all everything that I do. The pencil, what it does, it gives it that sharpness, it gives it that crispness, and it also gives it that extra contrast that you're looking for. Right here, it's just easy money. That's all it is. I'm taking my blade, I'm gliding out that pencil line, I'm making sure all my points are sharp, pointed, because on camera it does look sharp, it does look good, but with the naked eye you can still see every little detail, every little thing, and everything is going to show. So if you work on the small details, the bigger picture will look even better in the end. I guarantee you. After I hit my designs with the razor, I go ahead and follow up with my extra sharp modified trimmers. Shout out to Clipper Grinder for sending me these blades as well. That man has the best modified and sharpened blades on the market. I don't know anybody else who has trimmers that's hitting like these, because my hairlines are always standing out, they're always popping. This man makes me a lot of money, so I gotta give him his praise. Thank you very much for that. And voila, that's the finishing product. The cut came out immaculate. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And please make sure you're hitting the push notification buttons, because I'm dropping more videos. Thank you for tuning in. Whew. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope y'all tuned in. I just showed y'all how I do my designs. We out. Peace.